Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you best TRX mining site. This site name is tronsnm.com. First of all guys, you have to create an account. Simply type here phone number and type login password. Then type here security password. Then click on register button. I tell you the next process. After registration guys, you can see here I have successfully received 100 TRX sign up bonus. When you create an account through my link, you will definitely get 100 TRX as a sign up bonus, and you can see here my wallet account balance is 100 TRX. So guys, you can see here company introduction, see the platform data, active user of this platform, and now I tell you that how you can recharge and how you can make money from this website. I tell you complete process that how you can earn a lot of money from this platform. So guys, first of all I tell how you can recharge on this platform. So I click on mine, simply click on mine, and you can see your balance. Now I click on the deposit button, click on deposit button. So I click on this button. Then you can see here, now I click on transfer to basic account. Simply transfer to basic account, click on transfer to basic account, and then copy the link. So I copy address, and I go to my wallet. So I open my trust wallet account. Then guys, open Tron. So I click on Tron and click on send. Simply paste here recipient address and type amount of TRX. So I want to deposit 5 TRX. So I type 5 TRX, then click on continue. When you click on continue, simply click on confirm. Then type your passcode of wallet. Then you will easily deposit your TRX. So I have successfully, I have successfully sent 5 TRX here. You can see here status completed, and recipient address you can see, and 5 TRX has been sent. Now I go to website and click on recharge completed. Simply click on recharge completed, application successful submitted. You can see here, please wait 1 minute. Within 1 minute your balance will add here, and you will see here. Now I wait some minutes, then I tell you the next process. Guys, you can see here TRX deposit quantity 5 TRX, and my total balance has been 105 TRX. 5 TRX has been added successfully. Now I tell you the trade. Now I click on trade, and you can see here cloud mining is working 5%. I will receive trading profit 24-hour settlement. Your trading profit will receive you within 24 hours. After 24 hours you will receive your trading profit, and my cloud mining is working. Now I introduce the investment plan. Guys, you can see here first TRX plan is product is daily rate 6% and cycle short days. And you can see here TRX daily rate 5%, cycle 45 days, and daily rate 4%, cycle 30 days. And see here daily rate 3% and cycle 15 days. So guys, if you want to buy product, simply click on product, and you can see a starting amount, a maximum investment amount, cycle, short days, daily interest rate, you can see, and all the detail will show here. And just type your security password and click on participate in investment. You can easily participate in any product. You can see project detail, and now I tell that how you can earn a lot of money. Simply click on share button. If you invite your friend, you can earn a lot of money. You copy your invitation link and share with friends, and you can earn more money. uh, if you want to check your team report, simply click on my team here, and you can see your level 1, level 2, level 3 team reports. The team report will show here, and so you can easily check your team report here. And if you want to download the app of this platform, simply click on app. Now simply click on app, and you can easily download the app of this platform. And if you want to submit a ticket, simply click on submit tickets, and you can easily submit your ticket title. Type here work order content, then click on submit button. You can easily submit your ticket here, and transaction record will show here. I click on transaction record, and my transaction, you can see I recharged 5 TRS and dividend 0.25 TRX, and your all the detail will show here. And you can also convert your balance here is balance conversation, and if you want to change your password, simply click on change password and you can change your password. And the mailbox, here is mailbox, you can check the latest announcement of this platform. And if you want to contact the customer service, simply you can easily contact customer service. Click on this button and you can contact the customer service if you facing any issue. Now I show the, if I click on partners, you will see here the partners of this platform who are working with them. And daily gift, if you click on daily gift, I click on daily gift, and here you can see 5 से लेकर इतने TRX total reward 200 TRX. And invite you invite your friends and you will receive the reward from this website. Now I tell how you can get withdraw from this site. Just click on withdraw button, withdraw option. So I click on withdraw and type here wallet address, withdraw limit. Here is withdraw limit, and type your security code. So guys, I click on submit button. Simply click on submit, and you will receive your withdraw within 1 minute. So the withdraw is instant. You will receive immediately after submitting the request of withdrawal. So I wait and I show the proof. You can see here I have successfully received withdraw in my trust wallet account. You can see here received 0.25 TRX. I have successfully received withdraw immediately. You will get a withdraw instantly. So I hope you like my video and share with friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.